Hey signers and coffee lovers. We have a fingerspelling quiz quizzing you on coffee. Personally, I don't know much about coffee, but I do know how to make my morning cup of joe. And sometimes my afternoon cup. Now, let's learn how to sign. As always, here's a reminder. When you are reading the word, do just that. Read the word. Don't look at each individual letter. Use context clues. If you're chatting about restaurants, then you know the words being fingerspelled are about restaurants. All right, are we ready? Here we go. All right, are you ready to check your answers? Number 1, latte. Number 2, mocha. Number 3, breve. Number 4, espresso. Number 5, flat white. Number 6, frappe. Number 7, macchiato. Number 8, cold brew. Number 9, Americano. Don't forget to practice your expressive fingerspelling. We have tons of videos on this, so go and check them out. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.